Welcome back. In our last lesson, we explored the File tab and learned how it helps us manage documents. Today, we're moving to the Home tab, one of the most important sections in Word, because it holds the tools you'll use the most while writing and editing. Let's go step by step. Clipboard group. At the very start, you'll find the clipboard. Here you can cut, copy, and paste text or objects. The Format Painter is also here. It's a handy tool that copies formatting, like font style or color, from one place and applies it somewhere else. Font group. Next, we have the font group. This is where you decide how your text looks. You can change the font style, size, make text bold, italic, or underline it. There are also options to highlight text, change font color, add effects like superscript or subscript, and clear formatting if things get messy. Paragraph group. Moving on, the paragraph group controls how your text is arranged. You can create bullet points or numbered lists, adjust alignment to left, right, center, or justify. It also includes line spacing, shading, borders, and indentation tools. Basically everything that controls the layout of your paragraphs. Styles group. Then we have styles. Instead of manually formatting every heading or subheading, you can apply a style with just one click. For example, heading 1 for main titles, heading 2 for subtitles, or normal for regular text. This not only saves time but also keeps your document consistent and professional. Editing group. Finally, the editing group. Here, you'll find quick tools to find specific words, replace them with something else, or select text efficiently. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more Word tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.